Hi, I'm Lara and I'm a graphic designer. Today I will show you how to make thumbnail for YouTube. So don't switch, watch till the end and get ideas for your design. On thumbnails, you need to convey the theme of the video at the same time interest the viewer. Our video shows the process of making Halloween cards, so I will use illustration of pumpkins, beds, etc. for design. By the way, if you are doing something like this, then run into MasterBundles. On this platform, it's easy to sell works, fast pads, and cool technical support. I make thumbnail in Figma because it's very convenient and fast. I created an orange background with a radial gradient, and now I'm going to place the illustration on the layout. In the foreground, I place the pumpkins. I want to make the background more luminous. To do this, I add blue to the tree and distant beds. Using the mask tool, I cut out the part of the illustration I need. To do this, I draw a shape, put it under the desired object, select them and click at the top on the mask icon, or click at Ctrl plus Alt plus M button. I add a blurred dark circle behind the pumpkins to add volume. Here I decided to add a postcard with a question mark to increase interest in the video. Add the text to the layout. The text should be short and clear, because people don't want to read the canvas of text on a thumbnail. Consider it in your design. I decided to make the second variant so that my team leader could choose. Take notes and your customer will like it. Thank you for watching. Know when you like or comment under our videos. Somewhere the friendly team of MasterBundles is very happy. Goodbye.